It's a football.
Whoa. Whoa, did you get a football? A real football?
Wow, yay!
You pull it out?
Pull it out.
Oh, a book. I'm a penguin and I can turn my head. Can you do it?
Look, there's a giraffe.
Oh, a giraffe.
What you got there, Max? That's one of your favorite toys. He knows the button.
Oh, listen there.
Look at this.
Oh, look
So much fun.
Oh, now they have 5 Christmas trees.
Oh.
Whoa!
Oh,
Beep,
that
beep,
is
beep.
neat.
Now little Blue needs a Christmas.
Was there a pig?
Okay, do you want to see what's in here?
He just did it.
Yeah.
Max. You like the paper? You're going to wear the paper. You do peekaboo? Peekaboo.
Where's Max?
Peekaboo. Want to see what's in the gift? Where's Max?
Where's Max?
Are you videoing?
Where's Max? Peekaboo! There's Max.
Where's Max?
Yay!
Oh, it's a C&C that's much better than... What is that? Is that a cat? Look at what we have right here. Look. That's a piggy. Uh-oh, yeah. Well, yeah. We'll get it.
Look, it's Elmo.
Right. Squeeze it. What? You like Elmo? You gotta squeeze it.